Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for your HP 15FD laptop, you will need the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Once you have your tools ready, place the laptop on a flat surface. Start by removing the battery, which is usually located at the bottom of the laptop. You may need to unlock the battery latch before you can take it out. After that, remove the screws on the back cover. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws that need to be taken out. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Next, use your plastic prying tool to carefully detach the back cover from the laptop. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop, which can help improve performance. Now, locate the display assembly. You will see additional screws holding the screen in place. Remove these screws, typically located at the corners of the screen. If you are unsure where the screws are, refer to your laptop's manual or a repair guide specific to the HP 15FD model. After removing the screws, gently pull the screen away from the hinges. Be cautious, as there are usually cables connected to the back of the screen. Make sure to disconnect these cables carefully. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with the repair. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Connect the cables securely before you secure the screen with screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure, as any loose connections could lead to problems later on. Once the new screen is in place, reattach the back cover. Before securing it with screws, ensure that all cables are properly tucked away and that nothing is pinched. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover firmly. Finally, reinsert the battery. Plug in your laptop and power it on to test the new screen. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your HP 15FD screen. If you run into any issues or need assistance at any point, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. And if you want to know the cost before proceeding, we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you are informed every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.